जब रामचंद्र की जय जय जगन्नाथ। ओम कदाचित कालिंदी तट विपिन संगीत करदो मुदा भीरी नारी बदन कमला स्वाद मधुप रमा शंभोर्ब्रह्मा सुरपति गणेशार्चित पदो जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे। श्याम रामचंद्र की जय। उत्कलमणि गोपबंधु दास in his poem says उत्कले नेतार नाही प्रयोजन, उत्कले नेतार नाही प्रयोजन, उत्कलर नेता स्वयं नारायण. So he speaks of Lord Jagannath to be the leader of Odisha. It's the leadership, under the leadership of Jagannath, Odisha is running on. He is the total administrator, the maker of the destiny of all four courts of Odisha. Again, while fighting for freedom, and he was jailed in Hazaribagh, Utkalmani Gopaldas, you know, he is a poet also. And in his poetry, when he is alone in the jail, within the four walls of the jail, he was not able to know what is happening now in Odisha. So he addresses the Vayu, the air. Tell me what is happening in Odisha. You have come from Odisha also. You tell me what is the political situation in Odisha. मंदिरे प्रवेशी वासुदेव वंशी, मंदिरे प्रवेशी वासुदेव वंशी, रंध्रे रचिथिव अस्पष्ट स्वन, राधिका अंचल उड़ाई चंचल, राधिका अंचल उड़ाई चंचल, तोषिथिव गानी बेनी कमन. So he says, he addresses the air. You might have come from Satigopal, and you might have heard about the news of Odisha from Radha Krishna in Satigopal. So, yes, the Rashtra Devata here is Lord Jagannath. You know, Jagannath pervades everywhere. He is immanent, he is omnipotent, omniscient, omnipresent. He is immanent everywhere, but his headquarters is at Puri, where he is supposed to be all the time. So beforehand, the Gadapatis who are ruling Odisha, as for example, when Kapilendra Dev was ruling Odisha, he addresses Jagannath as you are the leader of the state, and I am your servant. I am your servant. So when in 15th century, when Kapilendra Dev, Gadapati, was the king of Odisha, he was Gadapati, the title was Gadapati. Once he got the victory from southern states and brought gold in 16 elephants, and those he surrendered before the lotus feet of Lord Jagannath. And now you see the golden attire of Jagannath in Sunabesh. So whoever has come as a ruler to Odisha, he all the time has thought that Rashtra Devata is Jagannath. And he is the representative, as you know, Gadapati is the representative of Lord Jagannath. So Jagannath means Odisha. Jagannath is the ruler of Odisha, is Rashtriya Devta of Odisha. Jagannath has saved all the time from all the natural calamities, those who came to Odisha, but it was denied in Odisha by the Lord Jagannath. So Lord Jagannath is very much kind enough, and he is the avatar of mercy. So he stays in the heart of the people of Odisha. In Shloka it has been said, Rathe tu Vamana Drishtva Punarjanma na vidyate. When you witness Lord Jagannath in the chariot, you get moksha, you get liberation, you get Mahanibban, you get Parinibban. So Rathe tu Vamana Drishtva Punarjanma na vidyate. There is no question, there is no question of death and birth. You are altogether liberated from this mundane world. So Lord Jagannath, who is the Lord of Lords and who is the Lord of the universe, from him all the avatars are emanated. All the avatars come from him and go to him. He is the Mahavishnu. So this is the Lord Jagannath who is the Rashtriya Devata, the depth of the state of Odisha. Shyama Ramchandra Ji.